How did you outsmart an entire room of people? When my cousin invited me to her wedding reception last spring, I had no idea I'd end up in the middle of the most intense trivia showdown ever. See, her new husband's family is obsessed with game shows, so instead of traditional wedding games, they hired this professional trivia host for a $500 grand prize competition. All 150 guests got split into tables of 6, and things got competitive real fast. The host starts firing off questions about everything from 90s TV shows to chemical elements, and I noticed something weird. Literally everyone at every table keeps casually checking their phones under the table. Like they're all texting, but somehow they're all getting every single answer right. Even questions about random state birds or Olympic records from 1972. My table's doing it too, giving me side eyes when I actually try to think about the answers. Then this tech-savvy groomsman at our table leans over and whispers that there's a group chat where someone's feeding answers. He shows me his phone, 200 people in this chat called Wedding Trivia Champions, and some guy named Derek's just instantly answering everything. I'm about to join when I notice something else. The trivia host keeps glancing at his tablet between questions, and there's this tiny red light blinking on the venue's Wi-Fi router behind him. Call me paranoid, but I used to work IT support, and that light only blinks when someone's monitoring network traffic. I put my phone in my purse and start actually playing. Meanwhile, other tables are absolutely crushing it. Perfect scores, high fives, the whole thing. We're dead last. Then suddenly the host announces a special bonus round worth triple points. He starts reading out usernames and asking each person to stand up. Table 6, Jenny. Jenny at the next table stands up, confused. Table 2, Mark. Mark stands. That's when it hits everyone. He's reading out the names from the group chat. The host smiles and says, "Congratulations to our 87 creative cheaters. You're all disqualified. The remaining contestants will now compete for the grand prize." Guess what? There were only 12 of us left who hadn't used our phones. We went into sudden death elimination, and I ended up winning the whole thing because apparently I'm the only person under 40 who still remembers that Pluto got demoted from planet status in 2006. The best part? The host said this was his 15th wedding gig using this exact trick, and usually only 2 or 3 people make it to the real competition. My cousin's still mad I won't tell her what I did with the money, but let's just say my nephew's college fund got a nice little boost that day.